So yeah, let's look at Dogecoin, right? I mean, Dogecoin, it's kind of interesting, to be honest with you guys, because the way I was looking at the price action of this cryptocurrency was that it was basically forming, it basically broke out of this type of asymmetrical triangle right here, with which kind of like gave me a 20% upswing to the downside, right? I mean, it does seem like basically the 26 support level was able to contain this cryptocurrency from actually dropping further, right? And now what I see that could potentially be developing here is basically this type of descending wedge, right? Right here, which gives you also a 20% target for Dogecoin. Right now, I believe that it will be very important for Dogecoin to close on a daily basis, right, above 28.40, yeah, 28.4. If that were to happen, then that will potentially guarantee for me that this descending wedge, which seems to be part of basically a flag right here, will break to the upside and will provide us with a 40% upswing, towards basically, yeah, 40 cents, right? So the two key levels that I'm looking at for Dogecoin is on the upside, the 28.4, and on the downside, the 26.5, right? Any daily candlestick close above resistance or below support will tell me where this cryptocurrency is heading next. If the move happens towards the upside, then Dogecoin will likely target 40 cents, right? But if the move happens to the downside, I do believe that Dogecoin will be bound for a correction, which could potentially see it retrace towards 25 cents first. And if that level doesn't hold right there, then we could be looking at a potential corrections towards 23 cents, right? So now, once again, it's just a matter of waiting and seeing what this cryptocurrency is gonna do next. And maybe you, Akash, are looking at something way different from a shorter time perspective.
I kind of would like to think so. Right. So let me just talk about this supply zone here that was formed during the May 19th fall, the crash. And as you can see, after that, this level has been pretty consistent. Anytime Dogecoin tried to breach this level, it faced a sell-off. And even when it actually flipped above it, it faced a little bit of resistance here. And now that we finally flipped above it, as you can see, any dips. So this supply zone has now been flipped into a demand zone. And now anytime Dogecoin re-enters this zone, you see a spike in buying pressure. But lately, as you can see, it's kind of been exhausting. And the last time we discussed Dogecoin, expected it to come down to this level and then see a bullish reaction off of it to probably even go higher and test the level here, which is the 0.34 level, which kind of, I think, yeah, the 0.33 level. This is what I was looking Dogecoin to do, but unfortunately, it's kind of the bullish momentum has been dampened here. And the more time it retests this supply zone, the demand zone, the more weaker it becomes, and the more likely this level is going to fail. But fortunately, right, for Dogecoin, there was another down candle here, which led to a massive price move up higher. And this consolidation also kind of acts like a demand zone. So not only does Dogecoin have this supply zone ranging from 0.26 to 0.28 as a demand zone, it also has this demand zone kind of extends up to 0.24. So it's basically a demand zone ranging from 0.24 to 0.28. Anything in this range would be bullish. Anything below this, I would completely be bearish, and it could probably go down to 0.21 here. And in like an extremely bearish case, it go down to 0.190. So yeah, let me just mark this out for you guys. Okay, cool. But I don't think that's gonna happen anytime soon. Like assuming Bitcoin's gonna remain relatively the same, uh, then you can expect Dogecoin to like ride this wave that I've drawn here and hit the 0.33 level here. Yeah, and like if the bullish momentum continues, 0.36 and 0.40.
Okay. So yeah, I mean, it does seem that we're potentially looking you know, some sort of the same levels, right? That we're basically mentioning earlier. So as of right now, it's just a matter of waiting and seeing, right? I do believe that a close above, sorry, I lost my chart right here, but I believe that a close basically above 28.4 could potentially lead to an upswing towards 40 cents. Well, a cash is basically waiting for these to form as a V-shaped recovery and potentially rise towards yeah 35 cents. Is that right? And
Yeah,
you do believe that? Yeah, go ahead.
yeah. So that's what I'm looking at, 36 first, and then the 40 cents.
Okay, perfect. So yeah, based on my on my consideration, I do believe that a daily candlestick close below 26.5 would be super bearish for Doge, as it would lead to a potential downswing so 25 cents or even 23 cents. So I mean, it does seem like you, Akash, believe that demand zone right underneath the current price action will actually hold, and you're leaning a little bit more bullish on Dogecoin. Is that right?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, yes. So yeah, I mean, we'll have to see what the Pioneer cryptocurrency does, right? Before maybe any of these altcoins starts to move. But yes, as we approach the end of the month, volatility could be about to come back into the markets, right? Especially towards those higher cap coins that have not been moving as much as the lower cap coins towards X Infinity, Solana, Luna, and so forth. But yeah, let's wait and see what happens. And remember, if you like this content, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, as we're bringing content updates, about what the cryptocurrencies are doing. Every month, every Tuesday, Thursdays, and Fridays.